ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Kamon ban long slur, ringkat bat kaman ba Shongkhia, ka Shong ha ka Jinglong scam, bat Jingjit bastard jongi. Ka Tata Harrier, ka Kali ka ban san ya ka linti ya jongpi, ka la ban long ka jongpi minta. Book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors, lat korngi, lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar, not hinyo kanda hinyo lai.
Kayo pantiket na National People's Party banyak kun ka election MP na kabenta ka Shillong seat ka Thnem baha bat kani kala pinstom Jingmynjur baha ya kinong yalam jong ka party bakin siem ya garai bat halor kani ka State Election Authority jong ka NPP kala da banyak syong perkhat kam habaya kran bigla pathai kubor State President jong ka NPP ubadai ru ha ku por usumbut menteri rang ba ka jela uba prestun tensong ulo ong ka State Election Authority ka bala da ban syong jalang bat hapo CTO lakmi linti banyak Jingmynjur no National President Hakabay day bagi kertong nombor artli constituency kata na Shillong Batura. Susu ba prestun loong ya gilat patai kubor bagi nyasha namar kindai gibriu kibaning kong kibanyo jingtiap manu bandai ne ka kertong.
The election, the state election authority already sat down today, and then most likely within this week, once we get the approval of national president about the candidature of the proposed name from both the constituencies, Tura and Shillong, then I'll get back to you. So many, not less than 5-6. Please wait maybe till this week. Till this week, you will be the first person to know who will be the candidate. So please don't insist me on that, because still it is confidential. Unless the national president, unless the president of the NPP, national, approve it, I am not allowed to say anything on that. Please, okay? Please wait maybe till Saturday. So hopefully the national president, honorable national president, will give us the green signal. Jong ka party hadir ba ngala cinti mengaku presiden juga state party hapung megala te ngilaya thau bian ya ke komiti hadu ke executive committee rengkat ru ka tim gabatumai ke office beras koro te menta ka kenting ida ya ngiyalum yaki office beras mendai ya ka executive committee baru kawai ngislum suatan ki office beras ki betraina do ki working president ki vice president general secretaries ki spokesperson nang tangidon ki advisors kita teter kiba ladon lepa kum ka provision jong ka constitution jong party dia kata kada ki kedulang rengkat bat ni ai ru ya ka jing tha ba nang ne sikman kin simti no ila ke jong kam kum mangina IT yaki kedang ba ngin penia sikmat ya ke jing rekam jong ka party jong ya pok selame kala koi if I propose 3-4 then you know it's so odd and not only that we create confusion to the high command so we propose one from Tura constituency and one is from Shillong constituency.